Hello everyone, welcome back to my Chanel. Today we're making this adorable mini bouquet bag, a perfect handmade gift for special occasions or a cute accessory to store small items. This crochet project is simple and fun, even for beginners. Grab your hook and yarn and let's crochet together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Round 1. Begin with a magic ring, then crochet 14 double crochet DC stitches into the ring. Pull the yarn to close the ring and join with a slip stitch SLC into the first DC. Great job! This forms the base of our coaster. Round 2. Work 1 double crochet increase DC ink in each stitch around. This means you will place 2 DC in each stitch for a total of 28 stitches. Join with a slip stitch. Now your circle should be growing. Round 3. This round follows a simple pattern, 1 DC, 1 DC ink. Repeat around. You should now have 42 stitches. Keep your tension even for a neat shape. Round 4. Follow this pattern. 1 DC, 1 DC ink, 1 DC. Repeat around. By the end of this round, you should have 56 stitches. Remember to relax your hands to avoid tight stitches. Round 5. Work in the pattern 3 DC, 1 DC ink, repeat around. This adds extra width to the coaster while keeping it even. You should now have 70 stitches. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Round 6. To create the decorative edge, follow this pattern. SC, K1, 5 DC in the same stitch. K1, and repeat around. This creates beautiful scallops along the edge of the coaster. Take your time with this part, it's what makes the coaster unique. Now let's crochet the flower. Round 1. Make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets SC into the ring. Pull it tight and join with a slip stitch. Round 2 work. Yes, 1 increase ink in each stitch around. That means 2 SC in each stitch for a total of 12 stitches. This forms the base of the flower. Rounds 3 to 4. Simply crochet 1 single crochet SC in each stitch around for both rounds. This gives the flower its 3D shape. Keep your stitches even. Round 5. For the petal effect, follow this pattern. 2 chain, 3 unfinished half double crochet cluster, 2 keek, slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat 6 times. This forms 6 small petals. Once done, fasten off and leave a tail for sewing. Now let's crochet the leaf. Chain 11, turn, and work the following stitches back along the chain. 2 slip stitches, 1 SC, 2 HDC, 3 DC, 2 HDC, 1 SC. This creates a smooth leaf shape. For the small leaf, chain 8, turn, and work. 2 slip stitches, 1 SC, 1 HDC, 2 DC, 1 HDC, 1 and 1 SC. This creates a smaller version of the leaf to complement the flower. Now sew the flower onto the coaster wherever you like, then attach the 2 leaves beside it. Use a yarn needle to secure everything neatly. Weave in any loose ends and your coaster is complete. Congratulations, you finished your Lily of the Valley coaster. I hope you enjoyed this project and feel proud of your beautiful creation. If you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet videos. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!